As well as the planned marketing authorization application for Symvess in Israel, Humacyte are working towards a supplemental BLA to open up the acellular tissue engineered vessels to dialysis as an indication too. You can see from their pipeline right here under acellular tissue engineered vessels that they're nearing the completion of the phase 3, at which point they'll need to submit their BLA, the biologics license application, which is required to market and distribute a product. And they'd need to submit their BLA before getting the possible approval by the FDA. We can see here the ATEV, the acellular tissue engineered vessel, which is the technical name for Symvess, progresses toward planned supplemental BLA filing. Humacyte plans to submit a supplemental BLA in the second half of 2026, including data from phase 3 pivotal studies to add dialysis as an indication for the ATEV. One of the things to note with this possible supplemental BLA in dialysis is a potential partnership with Fresenius Medical Care. Fresenius Medical Care are a German healthcare company floated on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange in Germany. We can see right here they have a market cap of around 11.9 billion, and they actually hold a 9% stake in Humacyte, which we can see here on Simply Wall Street. And this is hugely significant because Fresenius Medical Care is the world's leading provider of products and services for individuals with renal diseases, so kidney diseases, of which around 4.1 million patients worldwide regularly undergo dialysis treatment. Fresenius Medical Care offer products and services along the entire dialysis value chain from a single source. And so if Humacyte's acellular tissue engineered vessels, Symvess, gain FDA approval for dialysis, which we know they're working on at the moment simply because they plan to submit the supplemental BLA in the second half of 2026, combined with the fact that Fresenius has a meaningful stake in Humacyte, means they'll want to see Humacyte be successful, and the partnership could actually help to accelerate the adoption of Humacyte's ATEVs for dialysis patients too. Fresenius could, for example, easily integrate the newly approved product into their dialysis centers. Fresenius Medical Care is the world's largest provider of dialysis services, operating a global network of over 4,000 clinics that care for more than 332,000 dialysis patients. And it provides these services in dialysis centers around the world, in Europe, the Middle East, Africa, Latin America, and in North America and Asia Pacific too. And so there's the possibility that Fresenius use their existing contacts, their existing clinicians, clinics and physicians to open up this opportunity for Humacyte to accelerate the adoption of their product. And so as we can see, there are a number of catalysts coming up for Humacyte stock in 2026.